In this video, I'll show you how to scan using your HP DeskJet 3755 printer. So let's get started right away. So the step number one is to actually connect your printer with your smartphone or computer. So I'll show you how to do it with your smartphone. So on your phone, open the Google Play Store or the App Store. Go into the search and type HP Smart. Here we go. Go down and you need to download this app over there. That is called HP Smart and it's made by HP Inc. Once this is done, now it's time to put your printer into pairing mode, and to do so it needs to be turned on. And over here on the control panel you see there is a network button, this one, and there's an X button. We need to press both of these at the same time until the power button light starts blinking. So let's do it together. I'm keeping these pressed until this button blinks. Okay, it blinks. I can now release those two buttons. Okay, before opening the app, what you need to do is to go into the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone. So in my case, I'll go here and press the Wi-Fi button, press the Wi-Fi, and in the Wi-Fi networks that are around you, you should see the printer. So in my case, it's over here, HP Setup 90 DeskJet 3700 series. I'm going to press on this. Perfect. Give it a few seconds until it connects. You don't need any password at this point. And then I'm going to go back and open the HP Smart app. Once you open the app, you should see this screen appearing, and you're going to press on the top right corner where you see a printer with a plus sign. Then from this screen, you're going to press this over here, already connected to network. And you should see your HP printer in this list. Click on it. Wait a few seconds. Now, if you see this message, you can ignore it and it will be added on your main screen. To use the scanner, we need to remove all the paper from the paper tray here and close it down. Like this. Then on the app, going to press done. We just want to go on the main menu, and over here you're going to see scan, printer scan here, you see? Tap on this option. Now this scanner is quite unusual. What you need to do is to take the page you want to scan, place it facing up, okay? And you're going to align it with this small plastic. Let me show you better, like this, with this small plastic over here on the right side. So put it right like this, and then with your two hands you're going to feed it slowly until the printer is able to grasp the paper. If it didn't grasp, you see, you may have heard a small noise. Just try it again. Okay, perfect. Once it's done, and to know that the printer got the paper, just move it around and you see it stays there. Take the smartphone, and from here, well, you can select on top a few options. So you have page size, quality. Quality is important. If you're scanning some kind of important document or picture, select best at 300 dpi. If not, keep it at 200. It's plenty if it's just text. Then select if you want color or black and white, press done. If you're thinking scanning multiple pages of one document and combining them in one PDF, select batch instead of document. In my case, it's just one page, so I'll select document and press scan. The printer will do everything by itself, so you don't have to push the paper. It will simply scan it like this, and you can see the results appearing on your phone live. Then once you're done, you're gonna get this on your phone. It's a preview of what got scanned, and maybe it didn't scan, and maybe it scanned more than what your document is, and so you can adjust those corners here by dragging them until you're satisfied. Then you're gonna press next. And you got your scan. Now it's time to save it or to share it. And you can also print what you scan. If you want to print, press print preview and go ahead and do the same thing we did previously and print it. If you want to share or save, tap this. Here you're going to rename the file the way you want. You can give it any name you want. Then file type, if it's a text document, I suggest you keep it to basic PDF. If it's an image, choose JPEG. Most people won't use the other ones down below. And file size, just keep it at actual. Then press continue. And here you're going to have multiple options appearing to you. You'll be able to save it on your phone. You'll be able to share it on different social medias, send it in a text message, WhatsApp, airdrop it, have all the options available to you. So this is it. Once you're done, you can quit this. And that's all. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please check the affiliate links in the description if you want to get some ink from Amazon for your printer. If not, just leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.